Let's boogie.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was one of the biggest movies of 2005 and has clearly left its mark on today's culture worldwide. But this movie had its share of rocky experiences. While we can't believe everything we read on Wikipedia or watch on YouTube, we do get certain subtle cues, from strange behavior to awkward interviews, that perhaps not everything is as it seems. Here are 7 things that might be true about Tim Burton's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Let's start off with number 1, or more specifically, number 2. I'm talking about fecal matter. Apparently during the scene when Augustus Gloop falls into the chocolate river, the chocolate was not entirely purified. The crew on set were under pressure to film quickly by the executive producers, who wanted the movie released during Easter to promote a boost in candy sales. But this decision would later prove to bite them when the sun doesn't shine, because later that day, poor Augustus Gloop fell ill after consuming E. coli bacteria in the dirty chocolate, and this would push back filming for a good 2 weeks. Ouch. Another strange happening that occurred during pre-production rested in the unusual casting choice of Willy Wonka to be played by Eartha Kitt. She claimed to be a huge fan of the book as a child and begged director Tim Burton to cast her. Oddly enough, the demo that she sent to Burton struck a chord with him, and he selected her to play the part. However, on the first day of shooting, she refused to put on makeup, opting for a more unconventional approach. To surprise Burton, she smeared white chocolate all over her face to solidify her chances of playing a truly iconic character, fearing that Yzma, from Emperor's New Groove, was a step down from her once promising career. One witness reported that as she wore a white chocolate face, she smugly strolled around the set asking the cast, "Where's my Starbucks? Where's my Starbucks?" Needless to say, she was subsequently fired from the role, which was handed over to Johnny Depp, who commented, "I'm just happy that Tim gave her a chance." It makes me wonder how much uncut footage there is of the wacky Johnny Depp. Number 3. The mad dash for chocolate seen just after Willy Wonka announces that 5 golden ticket winners will visit his factory includes a small personal detail to Tim Burton. In an effort to make his future wife, Helena Bonham Carter, happy, he allowed her to appear in every scene involved. In fact, the goat in Morocco was voiced by her. 4. Remember our friend Augustus Gloop? Well, Tim Burton wanted Augustus Gloop to be encased in a chocolate shell after falling into the chocolate river, until word got out that it was too close to what George Lucas did in Star Wars Empire Strikes Back when Han Solo was frozen in carbonite. Darn plagiarism. In keeping with the theme of candies and sweets, Willy Wonka's father, played by the impeccable Sir Christopher Lee, gave a candy bar to every cast member each day except for Willy Wonka, or Johnny Depp. This method acting approach allowed Depp to feel a true sense of hatred towards Lee's character, which is what made the happy reunion at the end of the film all the more touching. Number 6. This one is a bit shocking because apparently the Oompa Loompas were all played by one person, Deep Roy. Even the ones during the large dance sequences, because Tim Burton ironically wanted his chocolate fantasy movie to look as real as possible. Roy was so exhausted at the end of filming, claiming that he had never worked on anything so intense before. But if it wasn't for this role, he would have never burned so many calories. He said, "Don't tell Christopher, but I stockpiled all of those candy bars under my trailer and now I don't know what to do with them. I suppose anyone can take them, I just hope they're not melted." Well, at least he was generous. Freddie Highmore, the boy who plays Charlie Bucket, was a huge fan of Swedish electronic music group The Knife. He asked the producers if they could get one of the Oompa Loompa songs to be replaced with Marble House, and this was quickly shot down by the movie's composer Danny Elfman. And there you have it, 7 things about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory that might be true. And are they true? We just might be surprised.